in Bangalore, India, and shipped to New Zealand last year. On behalf of the trustees of Sri Balaji Temple Trust, I am immensely happy to inform you all that this year, from 10th March to 13th March, a grand first anniversary celebrations were held. To commemorate the occasion, Sri Balaji Temple Trust published a souvenir, and I sincerely thank everyone who contributed in terms of time and advertisements. There are copies here. If you don't have a copy, please have one for you and one for your friends and family. By the grace of Sri Lord Venkateswara Swami, every participant in these events had a wonderful experience and spiritual realization of Vedic rhymes and homams. We had a very positive feedback from most of the community. On this day of annual general body meeting, we would like to acknowledge our thanks to all the temple priests, past and the present, Pandit Chandru Kurkal, Pandit Gopalacharyalu, Pandit Naveen, and the present Asthana Vidwansudu, Pandit Pandurangan Garu, for their participation and contribution in this divine process. Building this property's loan repayment process with the Westpac Bank is in progress. By now, you all are aware that the temple, including the small community hall, is available to the community groups and individuals for religious functions. The details are on our temple website. Although significant achievements were made last year, there is a long way to move forward. I take this opportunity to appeal to all the devotees to donate towards this humble cause so that we continue to have an abode for the Lord in New Zealand and serve the community. Sri Balaji Temple Trust is in need of urgent funds to service the loan and other expenses for upkeep and maintenance of the temple, which is expected to be around $150,000. Donors can donate any sum they desire or are encouraged to participate in our $1 a day donation scheme. Those who wish to donate towards special pujas or temple donations may please do so by filling an automatic deduction form. The forms are there on the table. All donations of $5 or more may be claimed for New Zealand income tax purposes. Therefore, the Sri Balaji Temple Trust finalized special puja and festival celebration policy recently and is available on our website. The Trust will acknowledge the donors appropriately. Those who do wish to remain anonymous will be respected and will remain anonymous. On behalf of trustees of Sri Balaji Temple Trust, I would like to immensely thank once again all the donors, particularly Ravi and Usha Gaddam, Bhamidipati Sita Ramarao Garu, Sanjeev Singham Setti, Naveen Rajan, Pragma Industries, Well Networks, Trust Waikato for their large donations and for their continuous support. Here I would like to acknowledge on behalf of the Trust, gratefully thankful to Rajani Puvula, who provides IT services with a smile. Still smiling. We are looking for volunteers to help carry out the day-to-day management of the temple. The temple has grown to become a significant organization, and it requires the help of a large number of volunteers, devotees, and management personnel to run it. There are many functional areas that need to be managed. Most of the devotees only see and experience the religious functions. However, in the background there are many other activities that go on that a common devotee may not see, and these activities are supported by volunteers. These activities include areas such as religious, food, administration, procurement, cultural, cleaning, construction, publicity, to name a few. Each of these disciplines is managed by a functional trustee who runs the functional area with the help of other committee members. The chair is responsible for assigning responsibilities to committee members and doing some of the follow-up to make sure assigned work is being done by members. Here I would like to sincerely thank Kaniyappan for his unstinted support. Kani, I'm going on record in front of God. We feel that you are God sent. Thank you very much. And it doesn't mean that I'm not acknowledging other volunteers. There are innumerable number of volunteers, particularly Tamil Society and Telugu Association and other Indian Cultural Association, Fiji Indian Associations. There are plenty. All those people, Endaro Mahanubhavulu, Andariki Vandanalu. Each functional committee is generally composed of a core 3 to 4 members and are assigned with the following in mind. Only the following in mind. The tasks of the subcommittee and the responsibilities and the skills, knowledge and interest of the members. The level of effort by a volunteer is left to the individual. There are volunteers who are so dedicated, who come to the temple every day, and then there are those who participate by phone and carry out work with help of the phones and computers. The point that I am trying to make, volunteering is a functional member who does that. They put significant effort in their tasks, and it should not affect your day-to-day activities. We never ask any volunteer to stop your work, whatever you are doing, and come to the temple. But please, it is your temple, and without volunteers, we cannot do. Without community participation, we cannot do anything. Besides serving the extended Hamilton community, Sri Balaji Temple Trust plays a key role in providing religious services, offering discourses, conducting yagnas and other dharmic activities to serve the larger New Zealand community. It stands out amongst New Zealand temples for performing pujas to the deities in an authentic fashion, respecting agamic traditions. The trust effectiveness depends on the board members of Sri Balaji Temple Trust, their participation and commitment. Sitting my left, Mr. Nagan Suppaya, who is trustee and the secretary, and sitting my right, Srimati Malati Vasudevan, trustee and treasurer, and our vice chairman, Raman Annamale. Raman, please, hand. And our trustee, Param Muthaya Paranthaman, and Ashokan Govinda. Please. And yes, Govinda. But trustees as on today I am happy to inform you that one new trustee will be joining the Temple Trust. Our secretary, Nagan Suppaya, will soon announce the name, who is committed to the development, progress and the sanctity of the temple. I am extremely thankful to all my fellow trustees, present and the past. Here I need to, not only just need, I will be failing in my duties if I don't remember the first day when people came and decided to have a trust to build an abode to the Lord. Satish Dajjala, Mayappan is not here today. Abhendra Naidu, Rajani, myself, we all went putting $50 together and went to Raman's place in Auckland. to get some advice. I still remember and I don't forget that.